welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today I'm going to try out the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I was gonna say the new Popeyes chicken sandwich, but it's no longer new. I am late. I'm very late with the trend of trying out the sandwich, but today I am hungry and I am in the mood for a chicken sandwich. So I'm like, why not get a Popeyes chicken sandwich? Since I do want to know what all the hype was all about, and I do want to know how it tastes. And I'm sure a lot of people want to know how it tastes as well. So I'm going to be giving you my perspective. I'm going to be going to a Popeyes. I'm actually headed to a Popeyes right now. So as soon as I get to the drive-thru, I'll start recording again. I'll turn off my heat so that you can hear me better. And I'll let you know my thoughts on the sandwich. Now, I do want to say I'm in Michigan. So the fact that I am going to record this video in my car in the winter without the heat, let you all know how much you mean to me because it is so cold. It's so cold, and it's really hard for me to get a video out in my car without freezing. And so I have the heat on. That's why the sound is a little bit muffled now, but like I said, I'm going to be turning off the sound, so the sound quality is going to get better. Just bear with me. As soon as we go through the drive-thru and get the sandwich, I'm turning off the heat and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. All right, so my car is warmed up a lot more than it was toward the beginning of the video. And so I turned my heat off and I'm pulling into Popeyes now. I know they have a traditional chicken sandwich, and then they also have a spicy chicken sandwich, I believe. But I'm gonna try the traditional. I like spicy food. I love spicy chicken sandwiches and spicy chicken in general, but I think it's only right for me to start with the traditional sandwich. So if they have it available, I'm going to get the traditional. If not, I'll get spicy. If they don't have either one, then I don't know, I'll probably get something else. But yeah, I am in line. The line is it's not too long, but you know, I may be here for a little bit. Typically when I come to Popeyes, I am sitting in the line for more than 5 minutes. And so it's just expected. It's expected when I go into Popeyes for me to, or when I go to Popeyes for me to wait in the line. All right, someone else just pulled out of the line and they're going in. So I got to move up a little faster. All right, so I'm gonna continue to wait in the line, and then I'll pick the camera back up as soon as I order. All right, I'm back. So when it was my turn to order, I was advised that they're not accepting cash at this time through the drive-thru, so that they're not accepting cards, excuse me, through the drive-thru. So if I'm paying with the card, I have to go in and pay. And I rarely carry cash on me. I mean, some days I do, but most of the time I don't. So I went in. So this is what the bag looks like. It's just a traditional Popeyes bag. And then for the chicken sandwich, it comes like this. Which I think is pretty cute. And it says, love that chicken sandwich. That's cute. Now I didn't get the spicy chicken sandwich. I just got the original. The sandwich does come wrapped or packaged pretty nice. You know, some sandwiches are just kind of wrapped. I don't know if you have noticed this, but sometimes when you get different sandwiches, it doesn't necessarily have to be a chicken sandwich, but just a sandwich in general from a fast food restaurant, and the sandwich isn't wrapped neat, and the sandwich just looks messy, and it doesn't look appealing. I can say that this looks nice. This looks appealing. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Now the sandwich doesn't seem small, which I thought it would be small. Oh, it's a really nice size. So this is what the sandwich looks like. The bread tastes really good. This sandwich is good. I think what makes this sandwich so good is the bun. The bun is really soft, and it's kind of, I want to say it's a little sweet. A little sweet. But it is really good. And I think it's because it's so warm. I mean, the chicken tastes good too. So, when you taste the pickle with it, it's really, really good. So I will definitely order this again. It's not too small. I thought it would be pretty small. It's a really, really good size. It's warm. It's fresh. Yeah, it's good. So if I had to rate this sandwich out of, you know, from all the chicken sandwiches that I tasted in the past, I'd probably give it an 8.5. The sandwich is good, but I do believe that it's overhyped. It's not the best chicken sandwich that I've ever tasted. I do believe, like I said, that it's overhyped. It's not nasty. It is a good sandwich, but it's not the best chicken sandwich that I ever tasted. I don't taste like a secret ingredient in here that's making me feel like this is the best chicken sandwich out there. It doesn't really give me that wow effect. Like, it gives me a wow effect in the sense that it's good, but it's not giving me the wow effect in the sense that I can understand why so many people took off running with this is the best sandwich. Like, it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's a traditional chicken sandwich. And initially I was a little skeptical about doing a review on the chicken sandwich, just because I couldn't get my mind around it. I'm like, there's so much hype around the chicken sandwich. Like, we've all had chicken sandwiches, and I just didn't know. I was kind of like blew back by it. I'm like, wow, I'm shocked that chicken sandwich would get this much hype, especially a chicken sandwich that really doesn't have a lot of stuff on it. It's just like a regular chicken sandwich. So I'm not trying to downplay the sandwich, you know. I'm really not. I'm not trying to discourage anyone from trying it. I think everyone should try it, but I'm just saying, from my honest opinion, I don't see why there was so much hype around it. Again, don't get me wrong, it's good, it's just not, it's just not good to the point that, you know, I get what the hype was all about. I was hoping when I bit into the sandwich that I would see why everyone was going crazy about the sandwich. I was hoping that, but you know, it's good, but it's just that it's good, but it's not like anything spectacular in my opinion. So I'd give it an 8 because the bread is really soft. The chicken is good. It's Popeyes chicken. The pickles, you know, taste fresh. The mayonnaise tastes fresh. So that's my review on it. The sandwich was about $5, I believe. I think it's like $4.99. Excuse me. Or $3.99 maybe. And then $4 something. Close to $5 with tax. Excuse me. Like I said, I would definitely order it again. I mean, my stomach feels full. It was warm. You know, chicken's good. The sandwich overall is good. It tastes really fresh. I don't know. I don't know what all the hype was about. It's a chicken sandwich. So that's how I feel. I hope that you all enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.